I'm Saleem Badat. I'm research professor at the Humanities Institute at the University of KwaZulu-Natal and a STIAS fellow. I'm here researching a book on a history of universities in South Africa, and surprisingly there is no monograph that encompasses the history of universities. And my interest is really in asking the question, what are the purposes, functions, roles and goals of universities in South Africa? In other words, what are universities for? And STIAS has been a wonderful environment in undertaking this research and writing. And I'm hoping that this book contributes to us thinking about our universities historically. We talk a lot about transforming them, Africanizing them, decolonizing them, but often we don't seem to understand the histories of our universities and what possibilities they create for transformation, but what constraints and limits they also set on transforming our universities. So as part of my stay at STIAS, STIAS has generously agreed to support a national workshop. This is linked to my research, but is part of a national project where I'm looking at histories of universities in South Africa. These are meant to be critical institutional histories, not coffee table versions, which have a place. But I'm going to be working with about 10 universities that don't have critical institutional histories. And my goal there is twofold. One is to produce a critical institutional histories of universities like the University of Free State, Stellenbosch, Limpopo, Zululand and others. And secondly, to also persuade those universities to start to constitute the archives of those universities. Archives that are going to get lost unless one consciously starts to create archives on their histories.